Hello student, I Dr. R.D. Patil, Head Department of Zoology, वसंतराव आर्ट्स सायन्स अँड कॉमर्स कॉलेज शहादा. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण याच्या अगोदर युनिट नंबर 7 याच्यातला पहिलं लेक्चर जे बघितलं त्याच्यामध्ये आपण क्लास मॅमल्स याचे जनरल फीचर्स, त्याचे इंट्रोडक्शन as well as your classification in briefly we will discuss in the first lectures. In this unit number 7, name is the mammals. We start the second lectures. त्याच्या आपण दुसरं लेक्चर आज बघणार आहेत. त्याच्यामध्ये आपण क्लास मॅमल्स हा ब्रॉडली 3 सब क्लास मध्ये आपण डिस्ट्रीब्यूट केले गेलेले आहे. प्रोथेरिया, अलोथेरिया अँड थेरिया. त्यापैकी प्रोथेरिया त्याच्यामध्ये असणारी त्याची कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स आणि ऑर्डर, त्याच्यात एक ऑर्डर होती मोनोट्रिमेटा. त्याच्यामधले एक्झाम्पल्स आपण डकबिल प्लॅटिपस आणि स्पायनी अँटीटर याच्याविषयी आपण पहिल्या लेक्चरमध्ये डिटेल डिस्कस केलं. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, टुडे विल बी सब क्लास सेकंड अलोथेरिया. अलोथेरिया या सब क्लास मध्ये जर बघितलं आपण एक्सटिंक्ट मॅमल्स असतात. चिपली इन दिस एनिमल ग्रुप आर मोस्टली टू लिव्ह ॲज अ extinct mammals. Subclass is Allotheria. Extinct mammals, it is chiefly through the fossils of mandibles and teeth. Nothing is known about the soft parts of the skeleton appears to agree to some extent with that of the monotremata. Occur from Jurassic to Eocene. In this groups is divided into orders. The order first is the Multi-turbiculata. This is the first order, and order second is the Trichondata. Trichondata. This is the two orders are included in the subclass Allotheria. In the multi-turbiculata, example is Paleolix, Microlist, and in the Trichondata, example is a Trichonodon. Is a specific examples in these two order groups. Next, so we in a study point of view, this Allotheria already extinct, म्हणजे दुर्मिळ या ग्रुप मध्ये अॅनिमल त्यांचे फॉसिल्स इव्हिडन्स देखील आपल्याला असे पुराचे काही थोडे सापडलेले नाही ऍज कम्पेअर टू दी मोनोट्रिमेटा सारखा. दुसरा आपण सब क्लास थर्ड जर बघितला थेरिया, त्याचा अर्थ आहे दॅट इज मार्सुपियल्स और प्लॅसेंटल मॅमल्स. थेरियाचा अर्थ प्लॅसेंटल मॅमल, प्लॅसेंटा आर प्रेझेंट. Externally mammary glands provided with teeth. Teeth असतात बुवा. Females give birth to young ones, means which are viviparous, birth to the young one. These subclass are divided into two infraclasses, that is Metatheria, means pouched mammals, and Eutheria, placental mammals. We already discussed this in order. That is the order first is the marsupials. As pouched mammals. Infraclass first Metatheria, intermediate between monotremes and placental mammals. Females with pouch, it is also called marsupials in the abdomen without rudimentary yolk sacs. Placenta occurs mostly in Australia and South America. We also order first is a marsupilia. त्याचे कॅरेक्टर जर बघितले आपण मार्सुपिलियाचे तर young born in much undeveloped state and sheltered in the marsupial which contain teeth of mammary glands. Uterus and vagina double. Usually 3 premolar and 4 molars on each side of each jaw. Example is the Didylipus opsum, Macropus, that is a kangaroo. Phascocultus cola is mostly as a macrops, that is kangaroo is the best example of this. Intraclass first a Metatheria is order is a marsupialia. Intraclass B Eutheria, it is called a placental mammals. So it is a Metatheria as a pouched mammals, especially kangaroo, opsum, cola. This is the animals are best example of the Metatheria. These marsupials as a specifically this include pouched mammals such as kangaroo and opsum. Females develop ventral pouch called a marsupium. Marsupial shows many similarities with placental mammals, live in the Australia region and in the South and Central America. So this is a marsupials. Next, second subclass is Eutheria. It is called placental mammals. It includes following order. Placental mammals character जर आपण बघितलं Eutheriaचे, higher placental mammals, marsupials absent, vagina single, young born in advanced stage, young born. There are several orders of extinct and living Eutherians. Only living orders are being described are as follows. जर आपण बघितलं त्याच्यामध्ये the first order आहे Insectivora. There are the totally 17, that is Insectivora, Dermatoptera, Chiroptera, Rhododendron, Philodita, Turbulentata, Rodentia, also as a Langomorpha, Cornivora, Cetacea, Sirenia, Hyracoidea, Proboscidea, Perissodactylia, Artiodactylia, and last 16 the primates. So in this way, this is a 16 order we already discussed. In the point of view, first marsupial Eutheria, order Insectivora, primitive placentals order Insectivora. This is a small primitive mammals with a long pointed snout, body covered with fur or spines, feet plantigrade or semi-plantigrade, generally pentadactyl with clawed digits, molars rooted with pointed pig-like cusp, widely distributed terrestrial and nocturnal. This order includes the most primitive mammals. It includes animals like shrews, moles, and hedgehogs. These are the nocturnal insect-eating animals. Shrews are nocturnal insects and fruit-eating and squirrel-like with a tail. So this is a shrew, insectivora and primitive placentals. Next in the subclass Eutheria, second, these groups includes a bulk of placental mammal species, usually divided into the 16 to 18 orders. Some examples would be moles, shrews, and hedgehogs, bats, cats, dogs, wolves, fox, lemurs, etc. are the most examples of this subclass Eutheria. After birth, the young crawl to the pouch and they are nourished by the other nipple cells in the young one's mouth so that the premature baby cannot drop off while the mother is moving. There are over 216 species of marsupials. I'll also discuss in the second. In the Insectivora, the example is Sorex or Skews, Talpa, mole, Sorex shrew, hedgehog, also mainly present. Order second is Dermoptera, includes flying lemurs, which resemble flying squirrels, four equal-sized limbs, hairy muscular patches like patagium, hold to extending from the neck to the wrist, nocturnal and feed of the fruit on the leaves, can grids feed on the fruit and leaves, can glide with the help patagium. Example is the Cynocephalus, only one living genus with the two species in this animal group. Next order is a Chiroptera. In these groups, this is a placental mammals. General characters already discussed in this animal group. Moles as highly specialized for underground life with the powerful limbs for broad claws. Dizzying. Hedgehogs can among the bushes and feed on the insects, mainly nocturnal, sleep by the day. Armed with hard erectile spines over the body and often curl up when threatened. In a Chiroptera, is mostly order is a Chiroptera. That is this includes bats. They are the only mammals with a true flight. In this feature is responsible for their worldwide distribution. Bats are entirely nocturnal by habits and practically blind by the day. Eyes are especially adapted for night vision. Sense of touch and hearing are remarkably developed in this animal. It is called as a echo sounds. Forelimbs are modified in wings, patagium, second, fifth digits elongated, support broad wave skin extending back to the short hind limbs. Teeth small, sharp, and heterodont. Tail is present, including the patagium. Teeth small, sharp, and heterodont. Sternum with keel. Eyes small. Vision weak. This animal group. Ear pinna large, capable of true flight in this animal group. This is an example of the bats. As a Panasonic, we have echo sound is well developed in this order Chiroptera. This adaptation modified forelimbs already discussed in the wings like structure. We have the flying, most important for the flying. मॅमल्स सस्तन वर्गामधले बऱ्याच मुलांना विचार प्रश्न विचारला तर बॅट काय, तर बरेच मुलं पक्षी वर्ग सांगतात किंवा एव्ज या ग्रुपमध्ये इन्क्लूड करतात. पण बॅट ही मॅमल्स आहे, ती एव्ज नाही किंवा रेप्टाइल्स नाही. वी मेनली कम्प्युटेड इव्हॉल्व्ड इन द mammals as a specific order as a Cretaceous, Chiroptera, flying mammals. So this is a bats also entangled as a daytime to the tree, only as a nocturnal habits. So in the bats, as the many of the are entirely developed echolocation for the avoiding the obstacles, any wind riddle and the catch prey. These are emit high pitched sound from the larynx well beyond the hearing range of humans. They are able to detect and evaluate the reflected sound waves and thereby navigate easily and catch prey. They have complex nose leaves developed around the nasal regions, which acts like a megaphone directing ultrasound. Many bats also have relatively large ears to collect the echoes. So next in your fourth order is Edentia, teeth absent or reduced molars or anterior part of the mouth, enamel, toes with strong curved claws, testes abdominal. Some species may be armed, solitary, nocturnal, and arboreal. Example is the Merio Copiaphaga, giant anteater, Daspus armaldo, Bradagus, three-toed sloth, giant anteater, also most example of the Edentata. Next is the Philodata, 5 order, body covered with overlapping epidermal scales, which can be erected. Hair is present between the scales, teeth absent, tongue long, sticky and protrusible, used for catching the insects, limbs short and have 5 digits. Terrestrial burrowing animals can roll themselves into a ball for protection. Example, only one genus, Manis pangolian or scaly anteater. Order 6, Turbulodenta, pig-like thick-skinned animal with long snout, teeth 4 to 5 in each jaw without enamel, incisor and canines absent, teeth perforated by tubules of bulb, tongue long, sticky and protrusible, forelimbs short and stout with 4 toes, hind limbs with 5 toes, ear long, erect and pointed. Example, only one genus, Ornithotrops copia entered of also example of the turbula. Next order 7 is a Rodentia. That is a rodents or Rodentia. In this order, rodents includes squirrels, rats, mice, and guinea pigs. They are growing animals. Rodents are the most successful of all living mammals. There are over 3,000 species. They are found in occur all over the wide range of habits. Majority of terrestrial, no pure aquatic forms, but braves are adapted for fresh water habitats. Other each squirrels are arboreal, typically herbivorous, but most members are secondary adapted for an omnivorous diet as well. Most characteristic feature of this paired incisors in each jaw. These are very large pair of teeth and their growing power against each other gives them sharp edges. Dear friends, so this Rodentia is best example is a Ratus rat, also as a squirrels. We also mostly to as use bandicoots to this. Order 8 is the uh, Lagomorpha, is a small moderate in size with small stubby tail, incisor like grow continuously upper incisor too. Canines absent, leaving large gap. Diasterma. Growing animals eat leaves, stem and bark. Example is a lepus. We also call the rabbits, Ocopica. Order Cornivora is next to the mostly to Edentia, is a living, especially already discussed in the next this group. Edentata, 4 number orders. We will discuss, dear friends, in a total point of view. In a identity order, we have to discuss includes these groups are mammals, which are the anteaters, tree sloths, and armadillos. Teeth are completely absent in the anteaters and sloths and armadillos. The front teeth are never present, but the hind teeth are absent. So in these groups, carnivorous mammal order is a Carnivora. Order number 9. It includes beast, prey like dog, cat, tiger, lion, and uh, bear. Range in size from tiny weasels to large sized bear. Many of them are known for their speed, particularly the cat family. Flesh eating many animals show adaptation for hunting. The canines are large. The last premolars in the upper jaw and first molar in the lower jaw work against each other, forming the cancel teeth. Skull has lamboidal crest for attachment of the powerful jaw and neck muscles. Mammae are abdominal. In these are the competitive and strong of animals. They are large size, predatory habits, well developed for fresh eating and several adaptations, such as sharp claws, powerful jaws, strong projecting canines. All these are the area adaptation to capture and kill the prey is the loins. Next, order 10 is a cetacea. This order is the main characteristic features or general character. This is the order of marine mammals that is highly specialized for a completely aquatic lifestyle. They The body has secondarily taken on streamlined place-like form. This order includes whales and dolphins. These are the most highly modified mammals completely adapted for the aquatic mode of life. That is aquatic lifestyle. Example is a whale. The aquatic adaptation to reduce friction skin doesn't have hair and insulation is provided by a subcutaneous layer of or fat called as a blubber. Being descended from land mammals are the cetaceans are also as a breathers. They come up to the surface periodically to get fresh air. Forelimbs are modified into flippers and limbs have disappeared. Dorsal fins developed as stabilizers. Tail is dorsoventrally flattened and ends up to two horizontal flaps. Tail moves up and down while swimming. Eyes are very small and ears lack pinna but have a minute opening. One or two nasal openings are present called blowholes on top of the head. Most are carnivorous and found all over the world. Dear friends, this order includes two major groups of whales, the whale-born whales and toothed whales. Whale-born whales are filter feeder and includes the blue whale. Toothed whales are carnivorous and include dolphins, porpoises, sperm whales, and bottle Nosed whales are mostly to use in this group. Many cetaceans also use echolocation to navigate and communicate with each other. एकमेकांना त्या ठिकाणी त्यांचे इको साऊंड देत असतात. Next, in point of view, we already the next 11th group is a Sirena. It includes sluggish aquatic mammals, commonly known as the sea cows. They are short-necked, thick-skinned neck, herbivorous mammals growing seaweeds and other aquatic plants. Nostrils anteriorly directed, pinna absent. Forelimbs is paddle-like and very mobile. Hind limbs absent. Body stemmed with rounded muzzle and prominent cleft of the tip. Tail horizontally expanded into the caudal fin. Mammals too. Pectoral testes abdominal. Example is helicore. Trachanus manti is a specific example of this group. Order 12. Hyrocoidea. In this includes small rodent-like herbivorous mammals distinctly related to elephants. They have close set fur, small ears, split snout, and reduced tail. Incisor 1 hop 2. Upper incisors are curved and sessile-shaped. Lower incisor comb-like canines absent. Check teeth, lophodont, diastema present. Testes abdominal mammy 6 pairs, 4 pairs inguinal and 2 pairs axillary. Example is the Procava conines found in South Africa. Order 13 is the Proboscidea. In this order includes elephants having long proboscis, largest living land animal with enormous head. Proboscis long, mobile, muscular extension of the nose, limbs massive pillar-like, incisor a great size and formless, gregarious, like in live in herds of 10 to 100, feeds on grass and booms, love dark and shady forest. This group example is only two species, Elaphus maximus in African elephants. Order 14 is a Perissodactyla. It includes hoofed mammals, the code or toed angulars like horse, turpin, rhinoceros, zebra, feet, ungulated hoof formed by uneven number 1 to 3. Though the middle is the hard third digits, horns absent, size large, leg long, herbivorous mammals. Example is the Toprius malayan tapir, Ecus horse, wild ass or zebra is the example of this protein order. Next order is the Artiodactylia, includes C1 toad, hooped angulus like sheep, pig, hippopotamus, and herbivorous, usually large size, digitigrade. The axis of the limbs possesses between 2 to 3 digits number of toes. Check teeth, abundant or so, abundant and solidant incisor and canines upper jaw, usually lacking. Stomach 4 chambered, many with antler or horn on head, all but pigs dominant of chew the cud. This is the Artiodactyl. Order 16 is the primates, the placental herbivorous eaters, plus these herbivorous diversity, hoofed mammals, elephantines and rabbits. This is specifically as or different orders examples. This is the primates. It is most our last 16 order. Primates. Primates is a mammalian animal consisting the taxonomic order primates. Primate arose 55 to 85 million years ago from small terrestrial mammals, Primalodophora, who adapted for living in the trees of tropical forest. So this is a modification of the primates, includes lemur, monkeys, apes, and mans. In this group, limbs long, hand and feet enlarged each 5 digits with flattened nails. Orbit usually directed to forwarded and surrounded by the bone rings. Hairs cover with entire body except palm and sole and face. Test enclosed in scrotum, testes. 2. Pectoral memory, functional development in nervous system and intelligence is remarkable. Example is Loris lemur is a basically example of these primates. That is also as the second opulence of the dry nostrils. General characters of the primate we already discussed. This is a characteristic features. Primates have the forward facing eyes on the front of the skull. The primate skull has a large dented cranium, which is particularly prominent of anthropoids. The cranium protects the large brain or distinguished characters of this group. This is the primates generally have 5 digits of each limb, pentadactyl with keratin nails and the end of each finger on toe. The bottom sides of the hands and feet have sensitive pads on the fingertips. Most have opposable thumbs to characteristics primitive primate features most developed in the humans as this thumb-like structure as 4 digits. This is thumb climbing. Thumbs allow some species to use tools. In primates, the combination of opposing thumbs, short fingers rather than too long, hard closing fingers. So this is a modification. Branchiation, swinging by the arm from tree limb to tree limb. We also flying in climbing mode. Primates show an evolutionary trend towards reduced snout. The evolution of color vision of primate is unique among most eutherian mammals. Sexual dimorphism often exhibited to a greater degree of old species apes to some monkeys than new world species. Primates usually have dimorphism in body mass and canine tooth size, along with uh, plaids and skin or color. The dimorphism can be attributed to and affected by different factors, including the mating system, size, habits, and diets. So, this is a lemur also used in especially the specific way. This is a primate species moved by branchiating, bipedalism, leaping, arboreal, and terrestrial quadrupedism, climbing, next to walking by a combination of these methods of these primates. So in mammals were derived in the Triassic. In next point is the origin of mammals. In origin point of view, mammals were divided in Triassic period about 252 million to 201 million years ago from members of the reptilian order Thrapsida. The Thrapsids, members of the subclass Synapsida, sometimes called the mammal-like reptiles, generally were unique, impressive in relation to other reptiles of their times. So, in your origin point of view, first mammals lived in the upper Triassic period almost 200 million years ago. Fossil remains do not reveal much about them, but processed the following silent feature. They were tiny creatures, not bigger than rats and mice. They were nocturnal, thus avoided competition with large-sized diurnal reptiles. They were burrowing or arboreal in habits and ate insects. Body was covered with hair. They were homeothermic and endothermic. Brain was large and was intelligent. They carried their young ones in pouches for further development after birth. Probable ancestor mammals like reptiles are believed to be the probable ancestor of mammals. Cyanogathus, dog jaw or mammal-like reptile belonging to suborder Chirodontia, order Thripsida, and subclass Synapsida is regarded as the probable mammalian ancestor. It lived about 230 million years ago in the early Triassic period. It was an advanced wolf-sized carnivorous animal showing both mammalian and reptilian characters in the origin point of view. Mammalian characters, skull dicondylics with enlarged temporal fossa and secondary plate, lower jaw with enlarged dentary in ectoderm with incisor, canine, premolars and molar. Limbs, mammals like capable of fast speed. In reptilian character point of view, cranium, skull, small parietal foramina present, quadrate and quadridental jugal reduced, middle ear is a single bone instead of three, lower jaw had many bones. So this is a 2 to 3 important theories, that is probably ancestor, mammalian characters and reptilian characters also seen especially in the Pacific point of view. Next last is the theories of origin of mammals. In many more scientists विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो मॅमलच्या ओरिजिन नुसार अनेक थेऱ्या वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीने सायंटिस्ट लोकांनी मांडल्या. त्याच्यामध्ये 3 मेन थेरी आपण याच्यामध्ये बघणार आहेत. एक फर्स्ट आहे amphibian ancestry theory, second reptilian ancestry, and third is the polyphyletic theory as well as ancestry. In the three theories point of view, in amphibian ancestry, we already discussed about the origin of mammals. The theory was proposed by T.H. Huxley in 1880 on the basis of presence of two occipital condyle in the skull of both amphibia and mammalia. This was, however, not acceptable because the condyle were derived from exceptional and amphibian and basic occipitals in mammalia. Next is the reptilian ancestry. Fossils of extinct reptiles and mammals provide through evidence of the show that mammalia had reptilian ancestors, but belonging to subclass Synapsida. The probable ancestor of this theory is further supported by the fact that the monotremes primitive mammals resemble living reptiles in many anatomical features. And last is the polyphyletic theory. Class Mammalia has been divided in two subclasses according to their mammals. Theria is further divided into infraclass Metatheria marsupials and Eutheria or higher placid mammals. It is believed that mammal-like reptiles, Therodont suborder Therapsida, are the probably ancestor of the mammals as a primitive. That is, the schematic representation by the Metatheria and Eutheria originated independently from the Panotherians by the end of the Cretaceous period. That is, Protheria. Mammal-like reptiles, Therapsida, are divided into Decodenta and Pantotheria. Decodenta is a Protheria and in Pantotheria is the Metatheria and Eutheria. It is the polyphyletic origin of the mammals. So in this point of view, these three theories are mostly to use as a proof to important rules of the origin of the mammals theory. And lastly, evolutionary trends. When the mammals like reptiles transformed into mammals, following changes occurred. First is the hair developed on the body. External ear pinna is developed. They become warm-blooded. Mammary glands developed. Diaphragm is muscular partition. Dentition become ectrodont and thecodont. Heart become completely four-chambered. Female transformed from oviparous to viviparous condition. Male developed squattal sacs. Skull become dicondylic. Lower jaw bones reduced to a single large dentary bone. Brain developed corpus callosum. So in this way, the 11 to 12 is the important characters is directly last to as the evolutionary trends to get by the you. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, अशा पद्धतीने युनिट नंबर 7 आपलं संपलेलं आहे आणि या युनिट नंबर 7 मध्ये आपण मॅमेलियनचे कॅरेक्टर फीचर्स, क्लासिफिकेशन, त्याचे ओरिजिन थेरी हे सर्व आपण कंप्लीट बघितलंय. अशा पद्धतीने विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपला FIBSC चा जुलॉजी पेपर सेकंड 102 जू 102 एनिमल डायरेक्टेड सेकंड याचा सिलेबस कंप्लीट संपलेला आहे. हा सिलेबस 7 युनिट मध्ये विभागला गेला होता, डिवाइड केला गेला होता. 7 युनिटचे लेक्चर, त्याचे PDF नोट्स मी आपल्या वेब ग्रुपवरती ॲज वेल ॲज व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुपला, युट्यूबला, माझे एक्सेल जुलै चॅनलवरती अपलोड केलेले आहे. सर्व लेक्चर तुम्ही पुन्हा बघू शकता. त्याचे PDF नोट्स देखील तुम्ही बघू शकता. अशा पद्धतीने सर्व युनिट्स, त्यांचे लेक्चर्स, त्यांचे नोट्स बघून जर काही तुम्हाला अडचण असेल, डिफिकल्टीज असतील, तुम्ही केव्हाही मला विचारू शकता. डिअर फ्रेंड्स, वी आस्क मी एनी टाइम. देयर इज नो एनी कन्सल्टिंग. कुठल्या प्रकारची शंका न बाळगता, कुठल्याही प्रकारचे टेन्शन न घेता विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, सर्व लेक्चरच्या जे युट्यूब लेक्चर्स आहे सर्व बघा, त्याचे नोट्स व्यवस्थित वाचा, कारण त्यांच्यावरतीच तुम्हाला ऑनलाईन ॲज वेल ऑफलाईन जी काही असेल विद्यापीठ ठरवल्याप्रमाणे आपली MCQ पॅटर्न मध्ये तुमची क्वेश्चन पेपर तुम्हाला दिली जाईल. 60 MCQज असतील, त्यापैकी कमीत कमी 40 MCQ तुम्हाला राईट करायचे आहेत. असे 60 मार्काचे पेपर तुमचा होईल. त्याच पद्धतीने आपले इंटरनल टेस्ट जे आहेत ते पुन्हा आपण या गुगल फॉर्म मधून आपल्या व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुपवर ॲज वेल आपल्या FIBS ग्रुपवरती अपलोड करणार आहेत. प्रत्येक विद्यार्थ्यांची टेस्ट अपेअर व्हायची. 2 टेस्ट हे आपण 20-20 मार्काचे म्हणजे 40 मार्काचा आपण घेणार इंटरनल थेरीचा प्रत्येक कोर्सच्या. बाकीचे प्रॅक्टिकल जे असेल ते 40 मार्काची इंटरनल प्रॅक्टिकल तुमची ती देखील होईल. अशा पद्धतीने विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, जुलॉजी पेपर सेकंड त्याच्यातला एक जो भाग आहे ॲनिमल डायरेक्टेड सेकंड, त्याचा सिलेबस मी पूर्ण केलेला आहे. कुठल्याही विद्यार्थ्याला कुठल्या पद्धतीची अडचण असेल तुम्हाला केव्हाही विचारू शकतो विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. कुठली शंका घ्यायची नाही. You ask me every time for any kinds of the out of the related as the 7 units of this paper. Dear friends, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.